this thing.
You put hydraulics on it?
Yeah, I wish. Now it's just in for a full exhaust. I believe this is a 20, it's brand new. It's only got like 400 miles on it or something like that. I think we can tell you. 2400, 2464. So brand new car. Got a full exhaust going on it. Paragon. Should be pretty nice. Yeah, all nice piece off V-band. Taked up really nice. So should be a fairly easy install to my knowledge. Unbolting and bolting it is the easy part. The rear bumper's got to come off. All the stuff that's rear tray, say, has to come off. Oh yeah, pretty much all this has to come off. Rear bumper is gonna come off. The bolts are right here, so the nice thing is at least everything is kind of right here, right on the top. And actually, we're not even doing it from back here. We're doing it from back there, I believe. So once this comes out, it exposes the fronts of the manifolds on both of them there. I'll have to jack it up, take the wheels off, take the wheel liners out, and get those unbolted. There's like one bolt on the bottom, so it's not terrible to do. It's just more taking all this apart. It's a brand new car, so it should come apart fairly easy and not give me too much grief. So that's the goal of this one. I'll probably get started later today.
Exhaust is all on. I heard it a little bit yesterday, but I couldn't have it too loud for the neighbors. Let me grab the key. Actually, I think I got it.
Let's see it.
You have to see it underneath. Wasn't too bad to do. It's more being careful with everything, you know. The bumper's got to come off one piece. I did that one-man show, so everything went back together pretty easy, lined up nice. I think I had to fight with one bolt that was kind of in an odd spot, and this is the old stuff, obviously. So the kit comes with the plugs that go to this, so it doesn't throw any like sensors or any like error messages or anything, so that's really nice.
Dope.
That's it though.